Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by verifying compatibility. Check LTE bands and confirm the phone is carrier unlocked and supports the Smart Upgrade SIM. Once done, backup contacts and settings. Record your IMEI and existing SIM IXID so you can restore if needed. Next, get the physical or eSIM profile from your carrier. Now power down the device, do this calmly, and remove the old SIM. Make sure you have the SIM tray tool and a clean, static-free surface before inserting the new LTE upgrade SIM. You insert the new SIM or import the eSIM profile following the carrier's steps. Scan the QR or paste the activation code when prompted. Once inserted, boot the phone and watch provisioning. This can take 10 minutes while the network authenticates your IXID or eSIM. Make sure you select the preferred network mode and enable VoLTE LTE if required. Adjust APN settings only if the phone doesn't auto-configure. If prompted to restart after provisioning, do so to finalize the carrier handshake and secure LTE registration. You finish by confirming LTE data, voice, and SMS work. Run a quick speed test to validate throughput and latency. If service fails, first power down and reseat the SIM, then boot and toggle airplane mode. This forces a fresh network registration. Make sure APN and VoLTE LTE are correct. If still failing, note activation timestamps and call carrier support with your IMEI and IXID so they can inspect provisioning logs. Keep patience. Most problems resolve with a reprovision or carrier-side reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.